Welcome back to Tech Care Engineering. In today's video, I will show you how I replaced a single electrical socket in a live circuit. This process requires a carefully handled and technical knowledge, so stick around to see how it's done. Remember to subscribe for more practical electrical tips and tutorials. I show the new socket to give you a clear idea of what I will be working with. Then I will remove the old socket that was temporarily protecting the cables. This is an important step to ensure the wires are safely assembled. Next, I pulled out the cables, the red, the live cable, the neutral cable, and the earth cable. It's crucial to identify each wire before making any connection. I also pointed out the corresponding terminals on the sockets, the neutral, the live, and the earth to ensure proper connection. The new socket was installed directly into the 3x3 circular box since the cables were already in place. I connected them to the corresponding terminal, the live to the red, and the neutral to the black, and the ground to the green with yellow. It's important to ensure these connections are tight and secure.
And this one is the neutral, and this one is the S.
Before starting the process,
so where's neutral first?
once the wires were connected, I screwed the socket to the wall by tightening the screws. After reassembled the flat plate, I tested the socket to confirm everything was working correctly, and that's how you safely replace a socket and ensure proper wiring connection. If you are working on a project like this, always double check your connection and follow best practices. If you enjoyed this video or find it helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Care Engineering for more hands-on electrical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise.